Next day, come on. I saw him today or what's left of him. The worker before me, the one who disappeared. He's still here but he's a dull now. Ain't no way you're not. He spoke to me, said the director did this to him, that everything is a lie, and I'm next. I should have left while I had the chance, but it's too late now. It's all started in the factory and it can only end here. Shit! Come on man, mag-resign ka na lang. Anong day 5 question mark? Reset. Ano?
Another day, another chance to prove you're barely competent. Get moving.
Ayoko, anong competent? Come on. Gusto ko na mag-resign. Ayoko na maging competent. Gusto ko na mag-resign. Ilaw, thank you. Ano naman yon?
Listen up.
Oh.
We've got a new problem on our hands. Some of the dolls have a paint defect, but you can only see it under a UV lamp. There's a UV booth ready for you. Get in there and make sure every doll is checked.
Okay. 5555. Hello mo mukha mo, X-ray. Okay. Ah, okay. Nice. Bye-bye. 5555. Ano yun? Next. Napa ko. Okay. Pass. Next. Okay, pass to. Thank God. So next. 5555. Ano yun? Wala ako gumalaw. Gumalaw dyan. Focus lang sa goal. Okay, may defect ka. Bye-bye. Next. Okay, yoga. Oh. Reset. Okay, yoga. 5555. 55. Oh, hell na. Disposal. Ang talas ng ngipin mo. Wait lang. Ayun na. Behind you, behind you, behind you. What's behind me, man? Yung behind me. Behind you, behind. Hindi. Ano yung marketing yan? Beware of what? X-ray nga muna natin. Ah, hell na. Wala akong tiwala doon. Behind you ang putek. Fake that! Okay, tara. On. Lagyan lang natin ito ng ulo. No, anong time to play na? Time to go home. Just want to go home, man. Come on. Oh, dali mo na, dali mo na. Tumito ka. Kala ko tumitingin siya. Come on. Sweet chicks. Walang sweet chicks dito. Pass. Okay, oh. Swear to God, pag yan... Ano to, order. So kasi kuhan, Chicks collaboration with puppeteers to create interactive puppet dolls with movable limbs and expressive faces, encouraging imaginative play for all ages. Must have gray eyes, dress up in denim dress, clothes, should say Sweet Chicks. Denim, okay, next. Ito na siguro yun. Hindi siya naka-denim, come on. Napako, I'm taken. Defect. Okay, pass. Bye-bye. Next. 5555. Okay. Nice. Okay. Oh, defect. Bye-bye. Come on. No, hell no, baka. 5555. I hate you to disposal ka na. Bubuksan ko tuloy ilaw. Visit niyan. Hate you. Ah. Hate you too, more. Next. 555, 55. Okay, sweet chicks. Wala ng denim eh. Saan yung denim kaya na yun? Ay, pas pala to. Ba't ko pala i-disposal? Okay pa? Oh, hell no. Bakit ganyan yung mata niyan? Ano to? 5-5. 5-5. What the? Okay ba yung ngipin? Okay? Ganun yung mata. Defect? Hindi kompleto mata mo eh. Okay, nice. Hindi kompleto mata niya. Okay, ito. Okay, sweet cheeks mo, mukha mo. Okay, may bata na naman doon. Ano yun? Hello. Oh, wala na. Next. Okay, goods naman. UV light. Okay, nice. Oh, check. Repairs. Ito na. Alis na ako. Bala ka dyan. TikTok. Papalayo yan. Pass. Bye-bye. Come on. Gusto ko na umuwi. Oh, yun. Thank you. Pass. Ito, denim jacket. Hindi yan denim jacket eh. Suit and tie to. Okay, bye-bye. Tama, denim eh. Okay, bye-bye. Denim ka, gray. Denim ba to? Mukhang denim. Ito nga. Gray eyes denim dress clothes. Okay, ikaw na lang. Ilaw. Bala kayo dyan. Babala kayo dyan. Gusto ko na lang umuwi. Ito. Bye-bye. Close. Thank you. Bye-bye. Ito. There. There. Thank you. Bye-bye. Okay. Magbukas ka na. Walang problema. Nice. Thank you. Next. Ito. Next. Hello. Walang hello. Ito. Goodbye. Oh, hindi. Ito. May defect kaya to. Oh, may defect. Bye-bye. Bye. Next. Oh my god. Ba't may Powerpuff Girls? Hindi. Ano, play a game? Hindi ako yung doktor nyo. Diyos ko naman. Oh, ayan naman. Gusto ko na lang. Find all dolls. Diyos ko naman. Find all dolls. Uy, ayun. Ito. Buisit ka uli. Nung oo. Dito lang ba kayo? The air feels thicker, heavier, like it's pressing down on me. I saw myself in reflection for a second. I didn't recognize my own face. Hindi, ayoko na. Oh, ayun, huli ka. Oh, you got me talaga. Uwi na lang? Pwede ba umuwi? Hindi pwede umuwi. Ito dito. Hello? Oh, yikes talaga. Oh my god.
You've got to be kidding me. Gone again?
What the fuck?
I didn't say you could leave. Stop
Nakita
slacking.
mo ba yun? Diyos ko naman. Slack ano? Slack. Visit. 5, 5, 5? 5? 5, 5, 5. Hindi yun nice. Come on. Pinaghanap ako ng Powerpuff Girls. Okay. Next. Pass. Okay. Nice of you. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Anong hello? Ah. Dito. Yan. Okay. Nice. Ay, putek si kakapala. Buwisit. Ito. Disposal. Oh. Ano yun? Ano na naman yun? Buwisit. Mala dyan. Nalagyan ko lang ulo tong manika na to. Buwisit. Yan. Ako lang mag-isa dito nakaship. Oh. Baka naman, amo. Tumulong ka na lang din. Hindi yung chikaw ano sigaw. Okay, next. Oh, sweet cheeks mo mukha mo. Okay. Bye-bye. Oh, ang dali. Okay. 5, 5, 5, 5. Tingin ka sa akin. Mukha mo. Okay. Okay, sweet. Next. Come on. Gusto ko na lang matapos yung ship. May deliver na naman. Sabi ko na eh. Fashion designer teams up with sweet chicks to create culture dolls. Couture? Featuring mini replicas of her runaway design, we need to deliver prototype. The doll must have yellow eye, dress in sleepwear. Hello. Okay, hello.
I love you.
Napa mo. I'm taken. Okay. Ito. Okay, pass. Out of there. Next. Oh, I hate you too. Bye-bye. Ano yan? Hey, no way, man. Disposal. Wait. What the f... Anong hello? Gagi, ba't ka? Gagi. The f... Alamok. Hindi, okay, next. Ito yun. 5555. 55. Hello din. Okay, pass. Ay, sleepwear? Yellow eyes. Okay, hello. Hello ba yung sinabi niya? Oh, hello nga. Bye-bye. Kailangan natin makuha ang kahon. Oo, I'm scared, man. Come on. Out of there. Easy. Basic. Ito yung mga sorter. Mabibilis dapat, boy. O, saga. Fulfillment. Saga. Ano yung manika na yan? Out of there. Tough. Saan ka nga? Visit ka. Hindi siya nagsasalita. Okay. Eh, no way, man. Disposal kita. Ayaw magsalita, oh. Disposal ka. Tinatakot mo ako ito. Disposal. Get out of here. Next. Laulo. Yan. Lagyan mo na din ng buhok, please. Okay. Dito tayo sa salon.
I love you.
Pero I hate you.
I love you.
I hate you. Clear. Bye-bye. Okay, pass. Out of there. Bilisan mo. Ayoko na, gusto mo dapat ship ko. 5-5. 5-5. What the fuck?
Sweet cheeks. Sweet cheeks.
Ayoko na feeling na yan. One na yun! Detect, ayoko na feeling na yan. Oh, tama. Yes, thank you. That's it. Anong hello? Ito, bye-bye. Anong mata yun?
Okay, you have done enough
Oh,
for
yes.
today. Go
Oh,
home.
yes. Makakauwi ka.
Tomorrow
Salamat.
is going to be.
Ayoko, ano difficult. Uy.
I will be waiting for you.
Tapos na yung shift ko. Bala kayo dyan. Bye-bye.